Alright, welcome on YouTube. What we do? We're going car meet. We're going to a car meet. Actually, I'm late because the car meets are from 1 o'clock. It's 5 now. It finishes at 7. You kind of get the concept of what's going on, right? So I'm late. I mean, it's a car meet, but I don't expect it to actually finish exactly at 7. It will just catch up on we reach. Damn. Yeah. Oh. That him not do, but a one wheel that move. Man, smile. And them something that make you get excited. Bro, my ears nearly bust a while ago. Bima! That dog, yeah. Instagram name Max. The mark excellent, brother. We got a road.
I mean, time skip. Bro, near when I'm supposed to eat it.
The fact that him has leave and it's so loud. But that genuinely sound like a gunshot.
Genuine, bro. Here's a pop.
Bro, you see when him reach this up? I feel it now with my chest.
Why never go left work earlier?
Really, nigga?
That's why she makes with me. Old Harley. Harvey. You see that? You see that? Red Bull. You saw it says Red Bull? Red Bull. Yeah, I'm gonna go down looking further and see if no vehicle still park up.
What's up, sir?
Up, so. don't see him carry, man. He carry stock. Bema, of course. Come. Come on. Feel it. Oh, that Remy. Who I got my boss? You know work too. You know work. Me sick too. Hey boy, remember that down there, sir?
I like that.
Swear to God. Where? Down there, sir. Hey, me. Yo. Me shot there. I want to go. You don't have work. No, me sick. Let it go. Let it go. Bomboklat! Feel that?
No, you know that.
See that? Tire mark. One if black there. Is a girl?
Machine! Let him go!
Yo, you rock that? Yo, mama, mind you blow your engine. Mind you blow your engine. Yo! Your people in this, you know. Your people in this. Range Rover. Why your camera look like it have better quality than filming?
Because it does, I study.
Oh. You're what do you mean it makes sense? Bro, I think I shoot off.
Bro.
Jesus Christ. Yeah.
Bro, that leave your fuck. Can you imagine me there have second thoughts for coming?
Exactly.
You just see me post it, you just see me post it, you'll be like,
Oh, Remy did that, eh?
this is what me miss? Whoa.
The beast broke down. The beast broke down. Yeah, Porsche, there was life itself. Turn already. This is not on Damn. Dog, I take picture. Him try send me them picture there.
Who?
He ready down there so I take picture.
How many shot there?
Yep. No.
Let's go there.
You want the man moving car?
What do you know? I'm not being there now.
What you worth it?
You worth it. Yo, tell him to move. We need him with the road. The holy grail. The holy grail. Low him with the road.
You want to say on your back and have a big camera with Yes, sir, Remy. Yeah, I feel one. I feel one.
Let him. Right now.
Right. I let him know. Yo, man. Everybody want the back of the Porsche. Look, nothing else. A magnet. Oh, this again. Oh,
New time. Sony battery.
give me a piece of battery. Pick one spot. No, same teeth type you are living. How I misbehave around there, so? You don't know me run across the field? Eh? Somebody when I have no manners. Boop. It a call me name, me hear it.
Where is it? Oh, you're fine. Can I have one?
Yes, man. They go pick grass, my friend. How do you want? I hear a car, you know.
Did you mean that? What now?
Oh, that.
Oh. Watch out. Why? I'm in the desk up. Ching wang wang boom boom chang ching. Well, I have video a while ago, man, and I wonder where my phone gone.
Alright.
People them have drone in the sky and bird. A shooting star that must see. One jetta.
Oh, they're $100.
That sound good, yeah, fuck. No, I know. How this jet stream? Oh man, this sound good, yeah, friend. You just look like one tiny little person running. I think that's beam on there. people. EK. You don't know that yet. Be a juvenile. But we love all cars equally. Load up your skipper, man. Stars all please. Bad bitch, big bat, you want to ride on me. Bro. Oh. Tail wraps. Yeah, may I go down the line a little bit more? Yeah, because I don't know, buy some vintage there. She originally coming for see vintage. Level gen. She done eat it already. Dirty boy. You reckon carry this enough? No, she may have. Oh, bro. S3, don't underestimate.
I can see the engine bit.
Yo.
David see some free.
What's that? What that?
What time?
No, what that?
What?
Over there, Saudi. Cool dude. Mark on him eggs. Dog, you fuel up for something nasty. I spot my spotter out of the corner of my eye. You like it? Hulk, Hot Wheels. Walk around. You just you want to see it on Instagram? Traction off. Oh, tail lights up top. That's a easy. Bro, I love these. Yep, definitely a drift car. Definitely. See that? Interior, clean out, roll cage. Dog have him key in the same way. See that? Drift. Drift, yeah! But you don't know, you don't really care about it. Not really. Ooh, a Jeep.
You ever see it?
Yeah, but just a seat up close.
Just a seat.
But I could even jump up in this if I try. But I've got to put on my hand there, so. Hey, come here, you peasantry. All this supposed to pick up a Porsche, bro. The Porsche are the only electric vehicle we accept. Another Porsche. Macan 4. Ooh, low rumble. Cayenne. See that? Active spoiler. Active spoiler. So today we could have come with the van. I'm supposed to gunshot and make a man to him. We're gonna be out on the road.
Yeah,
Is that a GTR? Ooh!
Weird.
That was an Accord, I think. Girl just a drop out there now, you know. As we move one place to our next place. I'll get like tough. Yeah, of course. Love every day, them, bro. Big up yourself.
Fan love.
Take him down.
I take you now.
You're crazy.
Can you cross? Bro, the thing is, I don't know which vehicle are coming on a machine from what's not. So you can't just step up there. America.
No. Go away. Yes, sir.
Feeling I had when I was seeing all those cars, man.
Felt good, didn't it?
And even that, yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm touring.
What?
Ooh.
Behavior.
You can ask me no time. I don't know. That's my luxury.
I did
I'm not looking at no. That me that tell you if you look on. Bombonade! A good youth in them see me with my camera and give them peace.
You something.
Remar! With the too far. Move your dirty car.
I can't my phone storage here run up.
Oh no man, move my